Hello everybody, my name is Aryaman Majumder. I'm in 5th grade and I made a store application. Instructions. Click on the customer name button to create a name. Click on the buy now button to buy something. It will give a list of items in sections, fruits and vegetables. Below it will give an option to choose either fruits and vegetables. Then it will ask for the item. Enter the item in the exact format as given in the list. Enter the number of that item you want to choose. Suppose that you wanted to buy apples. So then, how much apples do you want to buy? Is what it's trying to say. It will calculate the price and ask you to pay. If you pay lesser, it will give a warning and ask you to pay again. If you pay the exact price, you will successfully complete the purchase. If you pay more, it will give you change and successfully complete the purchase. Click on Buy Now button more times to buy more items. Lastly, the Exit button exits the application when you click it. Let me run it. So as you can see, this is the basic layout. Then we make a customer name, Aryaman. Now, let's buy something. Let's say I want to buy from fruits, apples, and I'll buy 5 apples. So the cost is 5 and enter the money I have to pay. Let's say I paid $2. That is not enough money, so it gave a warning and is telling me to pay again. Let's say I pay $10. As a change, I could buy another item, and my change is $5. It's thanking for me for buying. Let's buy another item, this time from vegetables. Vegetables. Let's say we want to buy cucumbers. Let's say I want to buy 10. So the cost is $30 and I'll pay, let's say, 28. The same way as in the fruits, it gave me a warning. Now let me buy 30. So this time I'm giving the exact money. Now my purchase is successfully completed. Let's exit. So now as I pressed exit, it exited the whole program. Let's do the code walkthrough. Here I import all the modules, initialize it, and display a caption. I have a width and height and set up all the colors. Now I display the screen and I create a show text so it could display text. So these are very important dictionaries I will need to use. These store all the fruits numbers, all the fruits and vegetables, as there are 2 dictionaries, one for fruits and one for vegetables. That's why it has 2 sections. And the name is for the create name. Now the main loop, which is the while loop, and I have an update. Now I set up all the rectangles, which are the buttons, and the text inside them, as you could see. Now I create a for loop, so it'll go on until it's exited. And I have a pygame.sleep.update again. And let's see the click. So it's the mouse click with this button 1. X, A, and Y, A are event.pause. If X in range 400, 700, so if it's in the range of that button, which is the rectangle, it will say what's your name, since it's that specific button. And it say welcome to the store name. Now, if the mouse pointer goes into the buy now button, I'll start with hello, what would you like to buy? It'll time out sleep for the first section, fruits. It will iterate through all the dictionary keys, and it'll print all of them with their prices, as you can see here. And vegetables, because the key is the item and the value is the price. Same for here. And now it's saying section, which section you wanna pick from, fruits or vegetables. So if section is fruits, then it'll say what is the item here. It'll say the count of the how much fruits, and I'll calculate based on that and say the cost is that much, and say how much you want to pay. If it's lesser than the real amount, then it gives a warning. And also it asks you to pay again, and it does the process again. But if it's greater, it'll give the change, unsuccessfully complete. Exact, it'll do the same thing except with no change. And if the section vegetables, it's the same thing except with the vegetables and the dictionary for vegetables. Now, for the exit button, this is the for it seeing the mouse position. If it clicks and is on the range of the button, it'll say thanks for visiting and pygame.quit. Then it'll exit out of the pygame window and close. If event.type equals mouse motion, sometimes, as you can see, there's these red boxes that, let's say if I highlight this, it'll see those red boxes. It highlights each of these buttons. So this is how the program flows. Conclusion. Thanks for watching. Bye.